Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to fix your Messenger sound problem on your Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to fix your Messenger sound problem on your Messenger app, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after opening a Messenger app, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture icon like this, and this interface will appear. You will need to scroll down a little bit on this interface, and you can see the notifications and sounds option available over there. Tap on notifications and sounds, and over here you can see all the notifications and sounds are provided by the messenger to alarm your mobile when incoming messages or calls. And you can see tap on customize notifications and check either your notifications are turned off over here or turned on. Either you have tapped on the selected the ignore do not disturb button available over here. If you tap or enable the ignore do not disturb button like this, then the messenger won't be sending any notification sounds to you. Similarly, check these settings on your phone, and after that go back and check all these sounds. Either your ringtone is off or your notification previews are turned off. By rate on ring, you can see in-app sounds over here, and turn these on. Groups in Android auto turn these on or off, it's on your choice. And after customizing your notifications and sound on the app, if still the problem continues, go to the settings of your phone. Let's go to the settings of our phone, and after going to the settings of your phone, search for apps category over here, and here is the apps. Tap on apps, and on the top right corner of your screen you can see the magnifying glass. Tap over there and search for messenger, and you can see the messenger pop out. Tap on messenger, and over here scroll down, and under the category of the app settings you can see the notifications option available over here. Tap on notifications and check either any of these notifications are turned on or off, and there are the in-app sounds as well. And let's go back, and after checking if your sounds are turned off over here, turn it on and go back. And after confirming you have solved your problems, go to the messenger, check your sounds. If the problem still continues, maybe it's a problem with your speaker on your device, or if not, try reinstalling the messenger app. That should solve your problem. And there guys, this is how you fix your messenger sound problem on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.